Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Thursday, November 21st, 2019. We're 1 week away from Thanksgiving, and we're actually going to talk about that Thanksgiving forecast. But before you do anything, please like, share, subscribe. Let your friends and families know, and even the people you like, where you get your best weather information from. And also stay tuned for Weather Concierge. We're having a nice little discussion this afternoon that I'll be posting. Not on video, but just a nice discussion on the latest satellite pictures and data that is being available from NOAA. That's really cool. It looks like almost like a oil painting in a way on a moving satellite picture. So I'll be talking about that this afternoon as well. It's pretty fun stuff. Talking about fun stuff, high pressure is right over our region, and that's producing excellent weather for this morning. Sure, it's a little chilly, but after all, it is November. Temperatures range from the mid-30s to lower 40s over the northern interior, upper 30s to mid-40s along the coast, with winds generally light and variable throughout the region. Look for winds to develop out of the west, around 5 to 10 miles per hour, not all that strong, and temperatures rising into the upper 40s to lower 50s. So again, not that bad at all. Take a look at our surface map. High pressure is passing on through. This cold front will be moving through by the time we get to tomorrow afternoon and evening, which is just scattered showers, nothing too crazy. On our satellite picture, you can see that cold front here. Notice all your colder cloud tops are all heading up towards the St. Lawrence River Valley. That's this right here. That means your best lifting and dynamics, all the forcing in the atmosphere is all lifting up to the north of the region. So that's pretty much just leaves this stuff here, which is just some scattered showers, not all that impressive. Then we got this storm out here that's going to cause some trouble for us on Saturday night into Sunday, especially if you are in the higher elevations. Watch out for some snow, sleet, and rain with this low pressure system by the time we get to Saturday night into Sunday morning. Not anything significant, not anything that would lead to like a winter storm warning or anything of that nature, but it doesn't take much in the way of ice to cause some problems, especially on a Sunday morning. So just keep that in the back of your mind. And take a look at our satellite picture closer to home. Beautiful. You can't ask for a better picture than this. You have clear skies, tranquil weather conditions. Get out there and enjoy the weather after you watch this video, of course. Now, let's dive into this forecast. For today, high pressure passes over. Look for highs in the upper 40s to lower 50s. For tonight, look for increasing cloud cover as the high pressure system exits. Look for lows in the upper 30s to mid 40s. For tomorrow afternoon, the cold front moves through with some scattered showers, clearing skies in the evening hours. Look for highs in the mid to upper 50s, upper 40s to lower 50s over the far northern interior. But it's going to be really nice up until the point we deal with those showers. So definitely a warm day tomorrow. Then the bottom falls out. Now on Saturday morning, high pressure will be passing to the north. We'll have scattered cloud cover, lows in the upper 20s to lower 30s. This low pressure system and the precipitation with it will be approaching the region by the time we get to the evening hours. Periods of heavy rain for most of the region. You might see a little bit of sleet and freezing rain starting to show up over northeastern Pennsylvania by the time we get to the early evening hours. Saturday night into Sunday morning. That low pressure system tracks through southern New Jersey, over the New Jersey coastal waters, and off towards southern New England. As a result, you'll see periods of rain, heavy at times, right along the coast, and then we're going to have to watch out for a little bit of snow, sleet, and freezing rain mixing in with the rain for the Poconos, extreme northwestern New Jersey, the Catskills, the Hudson River Valley, northwestern Connecticut, and then it really picks up with some nice snowfall up towards the Green and the White Mountains over New England. So it's going to be a very interesting storm that we'll have to keep an eye on. Temperatures on Sunday will range from the mid to upper 30s for lows along the coast, lower to mid 30s over the interior, so you can see where that ice component is going to try to set in there. High temperatures will range from the mid to upper 40s for most of the region. So if you go into the Eagles or the Jets games, you probably want to bring a coat because it's going to be windy too by the time we get to the afternoon hours behind this storm. On Monday, high pressure builds in with clear skies. Look for lows in the upper 20s to lower 30s, highs in the mid to upper 40s. On Tuesday, high pressure starts to exit, a little bit warmer, lows in the upper 20s to lower 30s, highs in the lower to mid 50s. On Wednesday, the day before Thanksgiving, you're going to want to leave a little bit early if you're traveling, because you're going to have this low pressure system lift up to the Great Lakes. So airports throughout this region are going to be dealing not only with a lot of traffic, but also heavy rainfall. And we're watching the potential for a secondary low pressure system to form around the New York City metro, which may enhance that rainfall. So we're going to have to keep an eye on that very, very carefully. But Wednesday is not exactly the best day for travel. Look for lows in the lower to mid 40s, highs in the upper 40s to lower 50s. But on Thanksgiving, everything clears out. Only problem is that it's going to be a bit windy. So that parade might be a little bit interesting with some of those balloons with winds around from the northwest at 10 to 20 miles per hour with higher gusts. It's going to be interesting, that is for sure. So Thanksgiving Day will feature lows in the lower to mid 30s and highs in the upper 30s to lower 40s. So you'll need a heavy coat if you're heading out to these parades as well. That is your forecast discussion for today. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Steven DiMartino, and as always, stay safe out there.